Hello, my name's Joanne, and this is To Crochet Curious. And welcome to my channel. I just wanted to check in with folks today and mention that technical issues are plaguing me as far as like getting my videos, my tutorials, my front-facing camera work done, and I'm just having problems with it. Yeah, it's just been ongoing, and every time I try to do something that looks like a tutorial or something like that, it's I'm running into some serious technical issues. So I'm gonna have to shelve all of that for now while I work on some stuff. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna keep working on some crochet projects. We're gonna set aside Freeform Friday for the moment, and probably also things we're doing Thursday, take a little hiatus from that. And I have a lot of projects I need to just get off my list of things to do. And so I'm just going to show progress of my makes and talk about the projects coming up, etc., things like that. So for now, I'm just going to leave it with I enjoy spending time with you, and I will be spending time with you just updating you on whips and plans. But for the moment, the more scheduled kind of things are going to take a back seat so I can try to get some of this stuff lined up and working. I'm finding it hard to do the things we're making Thursday and get anything else done. So, and even getting that done. So, yeah, we're just going to try a few new things and, you know, just keep moving along. So I appreciate you. I have been putting up shorts, quite a few shorts, and I'm going to start working on using my community tab more for some interaction with you guys. But there are just a lot of things in the world of YouTube, and I have a lot of projects in my mind that I want to work on and want to get set up for upcoming seasons and so forth. So there's just a lot to think about, and I'm having problems getting anything done except for barely meeting these schedules. So I'm going to freeform my channel instead of my crochet, and we'll see where it takes us. So anyway, I hope you have a wonderful evening. And yes, I was crocheting while I was talking. I'm making a circle to start another freeform little doodad. Anyway, have a wonderful day. Talk to you later. Bye.